Hey guys, welcome back, and thank you for tuning in for the next episode of a little review. So I have stickers for Mavic Pro here. As you could see, they're supposedly easy to use and waterproof. And I'm going to apply the skins, what nowadays they're called, on my Dji Mavic Pro and give you an honest opinion on if I like it or not. So let's get started. So in the box you get the instruction manual and the sticker pack, which covers all the whole body of the top and some of the bottom, plus the controller that you get with the Mavic Pro. And this is a carbon fiber silver version. I got this off Amazon. I'll have a link in the description. So let's take a look. I'm gonna speed this whole process up for you guys so you don't get bored. But pretty much after applying this and all, I want to say that the quality is okay. They're always trying to peel off in most places because the drone is foldable. So the quality is not there. There's another company called Decal Girl. I don't know if they're good or not. I have not tried it, but I would not recommend you buying this unless you're just getting it for fun, because most of the stuff will peel off in like a day or two. I flew it today and I had to keep on sticking stuff back to it. It's kind of a pain applying it all, but this is how it looks. The controller came out alright, batteries came out okay. There's some dents and things, but the legs came out good, and the front, but the sides, you see it's peeling off right there. I, I put it back, but it keeps peeling. The sticky part is not that good. But I thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this little review. Subscribe like always, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. See ya.